In this quick video, I'm going to show you how to log out Facebook on all devices using iPhone and iPads. Okay, first open your Facebook app, then click Menu. Now scroll down and open Settings and Privacy. Now click on Settings. Now tap Password and Security. Now here you can see this option where you are logged in. Now click the See All near that. Here you can see all your logins. For now it's just my iPhone 11. For you it shows different. If you are logged in on your PC or laptop, it will show on a separate section like this. Now what you have to do means just tap Logout of all sessions. Now just tap Logout. That's it. Now your Facebook account was logged out on all devices except this one. That's it. I hope this video helps. If it really helps means leave a like and share this video with your friends and neighbors. Thanks for watching.